In this video, I'll show you how to buy Bitcoin in Crypto.com wallet, which Crypto.com now calls Crypto.com Onchain, using the mobile app. Crypto.com describes Onchain as its non-custodial wallet, separate from the main Crypto.com app. First, open the Crypto.com Onchain app on your phone and log into your wallet. On the home screen, tap Trade or go to your Assets page and tap Buy. Crypto.com's current help guide says the on-chain buy flow starts by launching on-chain, tapping Trade or Buy, and then choosing the token you want to purchase. Next, search for Bitcoin and select BTC from the list. Then choose the blockchain/network if the app gives you more than one option, and enter the amount you want to buy. Crypto.com says the next steps are to select the token, choose the preferred blockchain if available, and enter the purchase amount. After that, choose your payment method, depending on your setup. 6. The purchase can be powered by your Crypto.com app account or by Crypto.com Pay. And card-based payments may also be available. Review the details carefully, then tap Next or Confirm. If you're buying through the linked Crypto.com app, you may be asked to enter your Crypto.com app passcode to finish the purchase. Once the payment goes through, your Bitcoin will appear in your Crypto.com Onchain wallet, ready to hold, send, or use on-chain. Hope the tutorial was helpful. You subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.